Reynolds v. United States. This case was decided in 1879, and it comes out of Utah, where a Mormon was convicted of violating anti-polygamy laws. He appealed this case to the Supreme Court, arguing that the laws were unconstitutional because they violated the First Amendment's protection of religion. The Supreme Court disagreed and upheld his conviction. The reason I picked this case was because of the case of Hollingsworth v. Perry. This is a same-sex marriage case coming out of California. The court just heard arguments yesterday, so there's no telling how it'll decide. But hopefully, and we don't know how it's decided, but hopefully, for the sake of my gay brothers and sisters out there who want to get married, it'll fall in their favor. For those of you opposed to same-sex marriage, all I can say is this: there's no constant but change. And Hollingsworth could represent an enormous change, and a change that we should all embrace, because you can't resist change. Having said that, a lot of people who oppose same-sex marriage claim that it'll open the floodgates to all kinds of arrangements, such as polygamy. So that's why I went to Reynolds, because if you look at Reynolds, you'll find this. Upon it, marriage, society may be said to be built, and out of its fruits spring social relations and social obligations and duties with which government is necessarily required to deal. Well, same-sex marriage is a relationship that Americans have said they approve of in a majority. And so it's a relationship that people want to deal with. It's fruits we want to see bear. Polygamy, on the other hand, is not something we've ever dealt with. It's not something that anybody other than Mormons, to my mind, have supported in the Western world. And therefore, we're not prepared to deal with that. So as far as opening the floodgates to things such as polygamy, I think it's a red herring.